Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. This video is something that I had planned and shot a few weeks back and on different days. But the day I publish will be hopefully after my delivery. This includes how I managed to arrange all the necessities after giving birth along with changing table organization. Hope you will like it. Keep watching. I never had any idea of what to buy and be ready with. All I knew was yes, we needed baby clothes, diapers, and some clothes for myself, but in detail, I was unsure. It was my mom whom I was with for both my deliveries for Rihan and Arman. The shopping, washing the baby clothes, organizing it, packing the hospital bag, everything was done by my mom. And my father took care of the documentation and formalities to be done as I was on a visiting visa in Qatar. Yes, my boys were born in Doha when my parents were there. Before baby shopping, I had asked my sister-in-law Nesri and my best friend Shehla. They both had delivered a year back. They were my advisors on what to buy and what not, what to do in pregnancy and what not. I had forgotten as it was almost 10 years later I was pregnant. Anyways, as per their advice, I went for baby shopping and shopping for myself, then made the necessary arrangements. I didn't want to wait for my parents to come to start shopping as the delivery dates are always unpredictable if it's a normal delivery. So I better do everything except the packing, which can be done quickly even after my mom arrives. I haven't taken much of any of the baby shopping videos because I was a bit confused and it took days for me to finish them. Now to wash the baby clothes, I first had to clean the washing machine. There's hidden dirt and I'm giving an overall cleanup to the washing machine using a mixture of baking soda, vinegar and liquid soap. You can see the amount of dirt it has in hidden places. I had ordered a few items from the Temu app, which I found a genuine app as the products arrived on time and the quality was good whatever I ordered. One among those was this mesh, which I couldn't find here. This is the baby changing table with drawer and I had placed all the blankets, towels and baby clothes in this shopping bag itself. Place them inside this drawer. I thought to take it out only when it's needed. I added these in the mesh along with baby caps and baby socks. Now if you don't have a mesh, you can use a pillow cover as well. My mesh wasn't big enough to hold all the items. So for that reason, I used a pillow cover. For blankets and towels, I used 2 pillow covers. It's better to use pillowcases that can be locked at the ends, either by buttons or by zip, so that the clothes doesn't come out. All these are washed well. It's always better to dry clothes under sunlight, but unfortunately we don't have a balcony to place the laundry stand under sunlight. So I placed it near a window where there's enough indirect sunlight. These baby socks and caps will be hung on these clips. My mom used to tell me if I didn't have sunlight to dry the clothes, I better iron them. I used to do the same for Rihan's, but for Arman that wasn't needed. Also, it looks really neat after ironing and folding in the cabinet. The clothes that you buy for your baby are your personal choice, but one thing was clear, we know how much to buy according to experience. The first time we tend to buy a lot of products we think we will need, but in fact those would be a waste of money. The second time we are a bit cautious and know more. The third time it's like if we need to, we will buy it later apart from the basic stuff. Anyways, one thing I wanted this time was a baby changing table, but not to the extent that I will have to give it away or throw it once it's time that I don't need that table anymore. So I wanted to buy a changing table which will be useful as a cabinet or just drawer to be used later. I bought these organizing square baskets from IKEA and placed all the baby clothes, towels, caps, socks, blankets and such. Along with the clothes, I also placed nappy rash cream, baby oil, soap, cream. Wipes are something I will need often, so I bought 3. I'll be placing 1 in the hospital bag and 2 in the drawer. I found this pouch useful to place the wipes. This is again from Temu app. I shall link all the products in the description box that I bought from Temu app. Baby milk powder in case I will need it initially from the hospital. Combs and accessories. These are disposable nursing pads. This tiny toy is from a dear friend and she bought this not knowing if it was a girl or a boy. So she bought it in the mixed color, blue and pink. This is my nursing cover. Most of the items I bought are from Center Point. I sterilized the baby bottle, just keeping it for drying. This is a changing pad, again from Temu. I do have one in my baby bag, which I'll be showing you in some time. This is a soft pillow. A few baskets in case I'll need them. Sanitary pads, breast pump. So that's all for the changing table organization. Each table is different. I have the changing mats which I will wipe later and put on the cover. And here's my baby bag, which is again from Center Point. I love the color, and the best part is that I got it at an offer price. To place in, I bought these two pouches from Temu. One is for diapers in case I'll need them, and the other is actually a makeup pouch, but I love the print on it, so bought one. I'll be using it for some purpose anyway. And here is a changing pad. I placed it in there inside the pocket. There's enough space to place all the necessary stuff. I also wanted a rocking chair for feeding the baby, but later changed my mind. I saw this from Pan Emirates the last time I went shopping there, and this is a very comfortable chair with long armrest, so bought this. And that's all for today's video. Hope you found it useful if you are someone looking for some inspiration to arrange your baby's drawer. Stay tuned, take care, and bye-bye.